Page Pilot Shopify Tutorial for Beginners Full Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get started with Page Pilot on Shopify step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. If you want to create high-converting product pages using AI, this tutorial is exactly what you need. Let's get started. First, log in to your Shopify dashboard. Once you're inside, go to the Apps section from the left-hand menu. This is where you can find and install tools to improve your store. Now click on the Shopify App Store and head over to the search bar. Type in Page Pilot and press Search. Once the app appears, click on it to open its details page. Here, you'll see everything about the app, including its features and how it works. Now click on Install App. Shopify will ask you to confirm the installation and permissions. Go ahead and approve it so the app can connect properly with your store. After installation, the app will automatically open inside your dashboard. Now comes the setup part. Follow the on-screen instructions provided by Page Pilot. These steps are very simple and will guide you through setting up the app according to your store. You might need to adjust a few settings or preferences to match your brand style. Just follow along carefully. Once the setup is complete, you're ready to start building pages. This is where Page Pilot really shines. Using AI, you can quickly create product pages, test different designs, edit text, change images, and optimize everything for better conversions, all in just a couple of clicks. You don't need any coding or design experience. And that's it. You've successfully set up Page Pilot on your Shopify store and are ready to create professional, high-converting pages. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.